Alright, let's go ahead and review Blackbird. Great, the first part of Blackbird. Third finger goes on the third fret of the low E string. And we play it, low E string and the B get finger picked. Your first finger is going to go on all of the notes that are going to be on the D and G, while your second finger is going to go on all the notes that are on the B string, all the higher notes. So we've got to the open into A minor, into the B minor form that we have here, with our first finger on the second fret of A and third finger on the third fret of the B string. And we slide it up to the 10th fret and 12th fret. So again, with this part. Then we have a picking pattern. When we have our first finger on the 10th fret and fourth finger on the 12th fret, it's going to go together, bass, open, 12, open. This goes twice here. So far it is. Then we go to the 3rd fret and 5th fret. Slide up to 5 and 8, 5 and 7, then 7 and 10, 7 and 8, and the pattern, then 6 and 8. So we just slide our first finger down to the 6th fret. So far we've got Blackbird. Great, I'm going to get up closer so that when you can see actually now my pick hand as it's played. Now my first hand up close again. Excellent. Play it nice and slow. Make sure that all the notes are coming out clean. You're doing fantastic with this song. Just remember, keep plugging away at it. And if you have any questions along the way, by all means, call or email, and I'll be there to back you up throughout the week. But you're doing fantastic with this song. So definitely keep it up one step at a time and visualize yourself playing the entire song from beginning to end in the coming few weeks. So definitely keep plugging away.